welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 8 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be trying out the By Nature Apple Stem Cells plus Vitamin E Rejuvenating Face Mask. That's a very pretty package too. I love the color of that green on there. So this says it's rejuvenating and nourishing with fruit stem cells, vitamin E, and natural plant extracts. This is another one from that By Nature, which is a New Zealand brand. And let's see, skin lost its glow, rejuvenate and refresh dull skin with apple stem cells and vitamin E. A powerful hit of antioxidants and nutrients for a 10-minute recharge. Our key ingredients: apple stem cells derived from a heritage variety of crisp Swiss apples. Apple stem cells provide nourishment and rejuvenate the skin, improving the skin's appearance, texture, and elasticity. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful free radical fighter, an antioxidant naturally occurring in human skin. It can become depleted due to constant environmental exposure. Well, with the snow lately. Vitamin E protects the skin by acting as a free radical scavenger, helping prevent damage to skin and premature aging. So, before we get started here, let's read the directions. It says, clean and dry skin, done. Give your sachet a quick squeeze to evenly disperse the contents and tear open. So remove backing and gently place the mask onto your face, smoothing to ensure a nice close fit. Lay back and relax and let the goodness condition your skin for the next 10 minutes. 4. Discard mask. Clean the skin with warm water and pat dry. So you do have to wash this off after you're done. So I've got my Honda scissors here. I can already tell there is a lot of serum in here. Oh, this is one of those again that looks like the maxi pad. So much fun. Apply the pad to your face and relax. You know, these ones that come with a little like protector, it definitely does make it easier to get it unfolded and get it out of the package and all that. I'm just curious if you're supposed to do this first. And then, nope, that didn't work. I tried it. I can already tell you, I don't really like the smell of this one. It smells dusty. It smells like a dusty barrel of apples. Yeah, I don't like the smell of this one at all. I can definitely smell apples, but there's just something off about it that I don't like it. Doesn't smell right. But anywho, I'm gonna go relax for 10 minutes and let this do its thing. I do not have my phone on me right now. It's in the other room, so I will go grab it and set it, and I will be back in 10 minutes or so. Alright, so we are back. It has been probably actually 20 minutes. I did not set my phone, and I was busy watching Captain America, which is on TV right now. So, I mean, yeah, I got occupied by the captain. So it does say to wash this off with lukewarm water, so I will go do that real quick, and then we'll be back to tell you what I think of this not very good smelling mask. Okay, so I got the face washed off. I feel nice and fresh and clean now. Just to get down to it, regardless of what this did for my skin, I don't like this mask. I don't like the way it smelled at all. And I'm not really sure if it's because of the apple or the vitamin. I'm thinking it's probably the apple because I've used vitamin E products before and it's not bugged me, but it did feel, it wasn't like bad, but it did kind of feel a little bit of a burning sensation. but not like, oh my god, I need to take this off, but there was definitely something going on there. I don't really care for this mask. And let me just look at my skin here and see what I think. So it does say that it's supposed to be rejuvenating and nourishing. What else does it claim? Refresh dull skin, texture and elasticity. Yeah, let me look here. Upon review here, I do feel like it does feel tighter, like especially in this area and down here. And my skin does feel refreshed, I will give it that, but I wouldn't use this again just because of the smell alone. I didn't enjoy the smell of it. I will let you know I did get this at Walmart on clearance for $1, so maybe that's why, because other people don't like it either. But the packaging is beautiful. I love that green color. And no, I'm going to pass on this one. I'd say no. I don't like the smell of it. It kind of smelled like dusty cardboard, like that kind of smell to it. I just don't care for that. So no to this one. That is everything for this video. If you have used this mask already, and if you liked it or didn't like it, please comment down below. I wouldn't recommend picking it up. It is $1, so I guess if you wanted to try it and see if you like the smell of it, you can do that. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody. We out!